guys, thanks for stopping in today and welcome to today's vlog. I have quite a few things to do. I've already had a pretty productive morning. I went to the gym. It's about 8 o'clock now. I went to the gym this morning, did some cardio, did a pretty good workout, and I've already done some schoolwork and we've already done Brooks's first feeding of the day. I started to get ready and then I realized I never film intros to any of my vlogs, so wanted to stop in and say hi. I have to now do my hair. I've already thrown my makeup on for the day, and today is a filming day, so I've got a few videos that I'm recording today that I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. Oh, look at this lighting. So bright. Oh my god. I love the summer sun. However, well, I guess it's spring, technically, but it is blinding, so I'm having a hard time even seeing you guys. Next up is breakfast. I make a cage-free egg white omelet almost every morning. Start with avocado oil in the pan, and then I use this brand of liquid egg whites. They are humanely raised, and I've been loving them lately. The next thing is I season with Trader Joe's onion salt, cayenne pepper, and then a dash of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Then once the eggs have set, I add a little bit of cheese. This is an Asiago Parmesan blend, and then I melt it again. And once that's ready, I just kind of flip it over and add a lot of hot sauce. I can't help it. I'm a hot sauce girl and I add it to just about everything. And the next thing I do is try to journal for about 20 to 30 minutes a day. I did just pick up this journal here from Walgreens, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of it. I am currently reading Atomic Habits, and I am going to be doing a book review on that when I'm done, but normally what I do day by day is I will read a chapter or two and then reflect on what I've read. So we also just got in our KiwiCo box. This is a monthly subscription box for children of multiple ages. I personally just got the Panda Crate, which is for children, I believe, 0 to 2 months old. And it is an educational monthly subscription box with toys that babies have tested and played with and scientists have created for optimal learning. So I just wanted to show you what we got in our first box. It is for at-home play during the pandemic. Gives you some play inspiration close to home. You can take a walk around your neighborhood with the hanging rattles. You can go to the park and bring your travel play mat for tummy time. You can go on a drive and let them build their finger strength with the star grasping toy. And you can read Poppy on the Go together, so you and your little one will be ready for their next big trip. So comes with instructions for everything. This is the travel play mat. The hanging rattles. The star grasping toy. And I love how it says things like learn how to grasp different objects of different shapes and sizes, how to give them to them, what to expect, explore the shape. help little ones strengthen their muscles as they go. Like, this whole crate is filled with such good things. Little sun rattle. And yeah, they asked his age, so I'm assuming they probably give you different toys based off what age you say they are, because this box is 0 to 2 months. I can't imagine, or 0 to 2 years. I can't imagine they would give a 2-year-old this. Nice crinkly book. Brooks currently loves crinkly things. It's a cute little book. I feel like he'll really like this. It's like really crunchy. Got some tummy time stuff. Wow, this is a nice mat. Let's set it up. So this is the mat all set up. It's a nice, soft, textured mat. There's lots of little things for him to grab on. More crunchy things. Put things in here. This is like a nice soft velvet. I think he's going to really like this. And the mat itself is a nice, like, sturdy, thick comforter feel. So I really think he's going to like this. So in terms of this box, I really like it. I would definitely get this again. I believe my introductory price was $30. It was either $29.99 or $39.99 for 2 months. So every 2 months they would renew at that. And I guess we'll have to see how Brooks likes it, but I love how many educational parenting tools they have in here also, and fun suggestions. So I would highly recommend the KiwiCo box. And like I said, they have boxes in a variety of different ages depending on how old your child is, so that they can get a new learning experience that's actually fun. So I wanted to set Brooks up and see how he liked his box. So this was the first time he was looking at it, and he was super excited. He absolutely loved everything, and I just wanted to insert a little clip here, and you guys can kind of see the rest. You want to feel it? So that's all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe below.